Oh yeah, round 3. Welcome back to Space Time with Robert. We're looking at galaxies, finally, out in the constellation of Virgo. I can see 2 here at the center, and then 1 up to the upper right there.
I was wondering if that was a galaxy.
I think
it
that's
looks kind of fuzzy to be a star.
So we're just checking out galaxies. We might see a couple more. I'll drift around. I have no idea what these galaxies are called. Like pick a number. 86, 74, NGC 7251. Next, yeah. So, all right, let's move on to. Let's get that one that was in the upper right in center.
Just looking at galaxies. No plan, just vibes.
I think I forgot how to move a telescope. Oh. No, not that way. Cool. I see one there at the bottom.
Oh, cool.
I think that was the one we were trying to get in center.
Mm-hmm. There's one, like, way up at the top there.
Yeah, I see another one in view. Yeah, way at the top. Let's get that one in view. Alright, do I move it this way? Sure. Oh, well, I got that one back in center. Cool. Alright, now we're going to go up. Up some more. And check it out. Here's another galaxy.
I like this one.
This one's kind of spirally.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, how's it going, small town? We're looking at galaxies out in the Virgo cluster. I think we just saw 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mm-hmm. It looked like it.
This one's really cool.
Mm-hmm. Reminds me a little bit of, like, Andromeda. But,
Yeah.
But, like, not exactly, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Like, shape-wise.
There's just galaxies out there. There's trillions of things going on above our heads. Every trillionth of a second. We should be a part of it. I feel like there's some little ghost to the upper left there.
Oh, yeah, I see that.
Right now we're just letting the Earth rotate. Let's move it a little bit more. See what's out there. I'm just slowly drifting the telescope up. See any galaxies? None?
I don't think so. Nothing but a chorus of frogs.
Yeah, those frogs are really going.
Mm-hmm.
Let's check out over here. Oh.
Oh, I think I see something.
What do you think? Is that a galaxy or a nebula? The brightest star to the upper left, there seems to be some ghostly little thing below it, right?
I'm gonna say galaxy because it looks like it has a solid core.
Yeah, it looks like it has a core and it looks like it has spirals too.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if this is like a face-on, kind of like the Pinwheel Galaxy, like we were looking at the other night. All right, let's see if we can find one more. Oh, found one more.
Cool. I think it's crazy that there's so many galaxies out there that are in like just complete different like orientations that we can like look at from like where we are.
Right, yeah, they're all in these different... It's like someone just threw them
Yeah.
out into the wind, right? Oh, hey Reeve, we were looking at galaxies out in the Virgo cluster. Not sure if he's still around, but that's so cool. All right, let me see if I can move it again and find another galaxy. Let's see. Captain?
Oh wow. And that's not one that we looked at before?
I don't think so. That one looks bright.
Yeah,
That one
that
looks
one's very bright.
way brighter than any of the other ones we've looked at so
Yeah.
far. Hey, we're looking at galaxies.
That's cool.
I see another one up to the upper left there.
Mm-hmm.
Closer towards you. Wow, this is so cool. Virgo. Buddy, where have you been? You could have been hanging out this whole time. I'm going to try and center this one a little bit better. Just because it is pretty. I don't know what galaxy this is.
It's a cool galaxy.
That is a cool galaxy. Heck yeah. This is a galaxy in the Virgo cluster. Which one? You tell me. I feel like I can kind of make out a little bit of color on this one.
Yeah, it looks kind of like reddish, right?
Yeah.
Especially on like the left side, I feel like.
All right, I'll move again. See if we can find another galaxy. Oh, what do we got here? It's either we're alone in this universe or not. Both are terrifying. Forget the guy that made that quote.
True. Both
Wow.
are very terrifying.
That is such a pretty galaxy. Okay, sorry. Moving on.
It's a great galaxy.
We'll come back to it again. Oh? Is there more? Let's see. I think I saw something fuzzy.
Yep.
I think I see two. I think I see three.
Yeah. Definitely the one on the right and then on the left. Oh, and then there's one further down on the left, I think.
Oh, four?
Oh, there's so many.
There's a lot of galaxies out there. Okay.
That's so cool. They have very bright cores.
Yeah, they do. Let me see if I can get that a little higher up on the screen. Let's see. Oh, I accidentally moved it too far, but hey, look, hey, there's a whole other galaxy. Right next to that really bright star.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go back over to where we were. Bear with me here. Okay. Let's see that little cluster there. So why are there so many galaxies out here?
It's a great question.
Come on, Carl. Alright, I'm just trying to position the telescope just right. And I think some bearings are getting very tight right now, just from the temperature starting to drop. So things are getting a little more constricted. So I'm going to have to loosen those up in a second. But still, that's really cool. I can see 1, 2, 3 galaxies. I see 2 to the lower right there.
Mm-hmm.
And then 1 to the middle right. And then I see 2 to the upper right.
Yeah. I see those ones too.
And here they are again. We got 2 to the top middle, 1 in the middle, and then 2 in the lower middle. Or lower, yeah. Middle of the screen, center screen. You know what I mean? I don't know how many... Yeah, it is crazy to think that we are actually looking at the past. I know, that blows me away every time. Especially when we're looking at something that's millions of years into the past. All right.
Photons traveled so far.
Just to hang out with us.
Mm-hmm.
Should we close this off with the Hercules globular cluster?
I think that's an excellent idea.
Alright, we'll see if there's any more galaxies just out over in this Virgo area.
Just hanging out.
I lost count of how many we saw.
Yeah, that was a lot. Probably close to 10.
Oh.
See one over to the right.
Yeah, it looks really cool. Alright, let me get this one in center. Oh, that one's cool.
Oh, that one's really cool.
Oh, I see 2 more to the lower right as well.
Oh, yeah, I see those.
Wow.
There's so many.
Look at that. It's like a little edge-on galaxy, spiral galaxy.
That's really cool.
That reminds me, kinda? No, I was gonna say the Starburst galaxy, but no, not really.
It reminds me of that one that, like...
The cigar galaxy.
The cigar one, yeah, that's what it was. That's what it reminds me of.
Little flying saucer, that's awesome. Alright, let's do the hunk. Ready?
Yes.
We're gonna end this with a globular cluster now. Where is that beast? It's right over there. Okay, so it should be really nice and dark.
Oh, wow, it's higher up than I expected. I guess it was pretty late.
Yeah. It might take me a second to find it. Let me see. It's been a while.
There it is.
Oh, there it is? Oh,
Mhm.
okay. Whoa!
That is so cool.
Okay, let me drop the exposure so we can get rid of that star trail. We don't really need it with this much exposure with this object. That's much better. Wow! I feel like you can see so many stars. Yeah, it makes me think how someone can be looking at us in the dinosaur era that many light years away. Sorry, just picking my head a bit. Deep what you do, please. Oh, keep doing what you do. Yeah. No, sorry, I misread that. My bad. Deep, it's deep.
It is.
That's deep. Heck yeah, no, thank you. Thanks for chiming in. And yeah, that's what I was thinking. You could do like some weird investigation in the future. You know, you could have let's say a satellite that's really far away, that's looking back at Earth light years away. Some crime or something happens in the vicinity of Earth, right? You could peer back at that planet, and within 30 years of the crime happening, you know, say if you're 30 light years away, eventually the light would reach the telescope that's looking at it, and you could just like, oh, that happened 30 years ago? Well, we'll just make sure or just happened now? We'll be getting the information 30 years from now. And then, I don't know, it's hard to explain. I've been thinking about it ever since I've been reading the three-body problem. Okay, I gotta move the telescope again. But, yeah, the Hercules Globular Cluster.
Yeah, you can see a lot of stars.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, okay, cool. All right, I don't feel crazy. No, I didn't explain it right either. It's hard talking about these things. And when you get cold too.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're gonna wrap it up. Make sure I can get it back in center. And zoom out just a little bit. Hercules. All right. Yeah, cheers from Chicago. Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for joining in, Perez. Love you. Nestor. All those stars. That's so cool. All right. I'm just staring at it.
Soaking it up.
Soaking it up. That was so many galaxies.
Mm-hmm. That was a lot of galaxies.
A lot of galaxies. How many stars do you think we just saw? I mean,
oh, God.
right? Because
so many.
If each one is like hundreds of millions, if not billions, if not trillions, then yeah, we probably saw maybe at least like I'd say less than 10 trillion tonight.
Yeah. That's overwhelming. How many zeros is that?
I don't know.
Well, a trillion is like 9 zeros?
So many galaxies and endless possibilities.
No, it's like 12 zeros. Yeah, because a billion is 6. Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot of
You're
zeros.
no better than I. You're the math wizard. Airplane. Okay.
Very cool. Thank you, Virgo.
Thank you, Virgo. Thanks, Honkules. Thank you, Nestor. Thank you, Space. Amen. All right. Goodbye, everybody. Stay spacey. Love ya. Space out. Look at... Ooh, is that a star right there? I see a star. I see globular clusters. Some of the things going...